Language is a medium to express our views and feelings. This is done by speaking or through gestures. Definition of computer languages. To communicate with a computer, we need a language that the computer understands. For every action, a computer has to be given instructions. Computer languages: machine language, assembly language, high-level language, fourth generation language. Machine language. It is only language that a computer understands. It is expressed in binary form, 0 and 1, where 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Understanding and learning machine language is tough and time-consuming process. It is difficult to write and correct programs. It's also machine dependent. First generation languages, or 1GL, represents the very early primitive computer languages that consisted entirely of 1 and 0, the actual language that the computer understands. Second generation language, or 2GL, allows for the use of symbolic names instead of just numbers. Second generation languages are known as assembly languages. Code written in an assembly language is converted into machine language. Advantages: computational speed is very fast, directly understandable by the computer. Disadvantages: development of program in machine language is very time consuming. Error correction is tedious. High-level language is simple and user-friendly. It is easy to learn and use. A large number of people started writing programs in these languages. This language is machine independent. The language is used in third generation. Examples of high-level languages are COBOL, Fortran, BASIC, C, C++, Java. Advantages: these are simple to adopt due to the English-like structure of statements. They are easy to maintain and debug. Disadvantages: the program written in high-level language are less efficient as they take more execution time. The compiler also consumes some memory as it is required for the translation process. Language processors. In order to translate any high-level language to machine language, a software is required. This software is called language processor or language translator. Assembler. A translator program that is used to convert the assembly language program into machine language is called an assembler. The program written in assembly language is called source program. The program converted into machine language by the assembler is called object program or object code. Interpreter. An interpreter translates line by line, executes the instruction, and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. The errors, if any, are immediately removed. The converted form is not stored anywhere. It has to be generated at the time of the execution of the program. Interpreter programs are used by beginners and are slow in execution. Compiler. A compiler translates the whole program at once. It generates the object code for the program along with a list of errors. The execution speed of a compiler is faster as compared to an interpreter. Thank you.